Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing LDshop.com or LDshop.gg. So as you can see right here, if you don't know what this is, it is basically a site that offers in-game currency for cheaper. So for example, in Genshin Impact, you get Primo Gems for less. And right here, in Valorant, you also get Valo Points for less, which is 23% off. So for example, the original cost would be like 277 pesos, and now it's just 216, which is minus 60 pesos or about minus $1. So as you can see, if wondering if this app is legit or this website is legit, let's head on over here to Trustpilot, which they're rated actually 4.9 out of 5 stars, which is excellent, and only a few or about almost zero 1-star reviews. So let's see all reviews here. So the reviews are fast and reliable, fast and safe. It's a great page if you're looking for details, all kind of games. It has seasons of great discounts, really good deals, and easy payment system. Fast and easy, quick and easy, very fast and professional. Best. This website has some great discounts, very mega cool, nice service, legit place to get cheaper lattice for Marvel rivals, cheaper than in game, offers most affordable prices, fast, and basically there are a lot of 5-star reviews. So this website seems to be pretty legit. So yeah, if you want to go ahead and buy in-game currency for cheaper, maybe you should use this website. And yeah, maybe that's it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.